Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to show you 11 most profitable niche for your affiliate marketing. All right, my name is Andy. I'm in the internet marketing since the last 2 years. And on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning affiliate marketing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what is an affiliate niche? An affiliate niche is simply a product or service that you can offer based on your field of your business. For example, if your business revolves around the fashion industry, then ideally your affiliate niche would focus on fashion-related products such as clothing or jacket or shoes. Those kind of products is going to be related to your niche. But what if you haven't started the business yet? What if you're still in the process of researching and deciding which affiliate marketing business to venture into? Then your best option would be either follow your passion or simply just listen to what people want. So what do people want? What sort of products or service are people looking for? Those are the needs that you looking for. Here are the 11 most in-demand affiliate marketing niche. 1. Beauty niche. When it comes to talking about the most profitable niche, the beauty sphere is without a doubt always going to be the top choice. We're talking about everything from makeup to anti-aging creams to even hair products. And as promised, to kick off the most profitable niche guide, we will share with you the Brilliant Beauty Affiliate Program. Here it is for you. 2. Health and wellness. We are all in some way looking for ways to improve our health and well-being, whether it be to live longer or simply to enjoy life without any health complications. That's why you can't really go wrong if you decide to focus on your business within this field, which is healthy living. Now, to give you a rolling start on your venture into health and wellness niche, we are sharing you a great health affiliate program, and here you will get to market the popular all-natural health supplements. Here it is. 3. Expensive hobbies. What do you think about when you hear the phrase most profitable niche? Surely you'll think about products with the high value price tag, right? So that's why we have included this category, expensive hobbies, in our list. And not just any hobbies in general. These are the hobbies that can involve golfing or even flying drones, and where the equipment are pretty pricey. So take your home commission will make you smile from ear to ear. So let's take a look at the affiliate program where you get the opportunity to promote one of these expensive hobby products that we will talk about. Here it is. Number 4, outdoor survival. The outdoor is great escape for most of us who are stuck in the urban style for most of our days. It is a means of relaxing and getting back to nature. So you will find that people have increasing interest in products relating to activities such as camping and hiking. Therefore, we thought it was important outdoor survival as one of the most profitable niche for affiliate marketing. As it's important to remember, is in the interest is high, then the products will sell. Let's take a look at affiliate program in outdoor survival niche that we have prepared for you today. You definitely great potential to do well promoting with these products. Here it is. 5 is pets niche. You just have to look at some of the most popular video on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube to know just how much people love their animals. It's difficult to get through the day without coming across at least one cute dog or cat in the video. And people just love their pets. They treat them like part of the family, and even when it comes to their shopping for their pets, they really do know how to spend. If you fancy promoting cute merchandise for pet dogs, then we have perfect pets affiliate program for you. So check it out now and see for yourself why pets are one of the most profitable niche you can be part of. Here it is. 6 is fitness niche. The fitness craze is real. The unfit get fit and the fit get fitter. It is incredible how huge the fitness industry has become. And we're talking about everything from fitness equipment to fitness supplement and to fitness apparel. There's even a wide range of niche within the fitness niche. Think about it. There is a weight loss, bodybuilding, running, capoeira, and there's just a few lists in there. Now, let's get on board with one of the most profitable niches with affiliate program where you can promote some supercharged fitness supplements. Here you are. 7 is fashion niche. We are all influenced by fashion in some sort of way. Even for those who claim I'm not into fashion, something or someone must have influenced you to wear what you're wearing right now. Let's face it, the fashion industry is going to dominate every year. We are always going to be teased by the latest and most trending clothing, gear, and accessories on the market. So, to help you to get started with one of the most profitable niches for affiliate marketing, we have included a program where you can promote some very trendy sunglasses. 8, gadget niche. The most popular gadget at the moment always seems to revolve around the mobile phone. Even though a gadget may be trending today, then gone the following months, and another invention always pop up to take its place. Manufacturing companies are always looking for ways to improve current design or come up with completely new ideas to make our lives that much better. Knowing all that, we decided to share with you an awesome tech affiliate program that offers you the chance to promote some of the most awesome and hottest gadgets out there. And now you will understand why gadgets are one of the most profitable niche you can get involved in. 9, self-improvement or self-development. There is nothing more satisfying than feeling accomplished through self-improvement. Whether it be through learning a new skill or educating your mind. It's making this one of the most profitable niches to get involved in. It is especially common to find great deals of interest in the make money online industry because, let's face it, people nowadays wanted to learn how to make money online as their side income or prime income. So to assist those looking to further educate themselves in self-development field, we have picked out a self-development program that offer make money online training. Here it is. 10 investment niche. One of the best known ways to increase your finance is through investment. This can be anything from property investment to stock and shares to index fund. Therefore, as an affiliate marketer, it can be extremely lucrative to promote an investment service because unlike the non-guaranteed return for the investor, you will always have the assurance of earning your share of the commissions. And to get you started in the investment niche, we have secured for you an affiliate program that requires you to promote a stock and shares trading system that promise a 50% commission rate. Here it is. The last one, number 11, loans niche. People are taking out loans at astonishing rate. Everything from personal loan to student loan to business loan. It has become increasingly easier to obtain loans through the banks and other loan organizations. And as such, there are plenty of corporations competing against each other to be ones putting everyone in debt. Therefore, you will find a great number of loan affiliate programs popping up looking for your assistance to attract more customers in need of a loan. So finally, to the most profitable niche are programs where the product is high in demand and the customers come from all different kind of life. Now, let's take a look at the affiliate program of the loans niche that have we dug up for you. Here it is. Okay friends, so in this video, I've shown you 11 most profitable niches for affiliate marketing. If you want to build a successful affiliate marketing business in professional way, you can find in the link in the description below. And if you find the information in this video is helpful, please like this video. It will help the algorithm a little bit. And if you have any question, you can also comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please watch my other 2 videos here. This video will help you and show you more tips and tricks related to affiliate marketing. And you have a lovely day. I'll see you in the next video.